what's up everybody? Just driving to the gym, headed to New Jersey Martial Arts. If you didn't know, 3 times a week I head over to Bridgeton, New Jersey to go train with some great guys. My instructor, Marco Ferrazzo. Just want to give everyone a quick update with the fight. My original opponent had to pull out due to an injury, but don't worry, we got a new opponent that's going to step up. So October 13th, the show will go on. I will be fighting at Harris Chester Casino. So going to show you some more pieces of me training, and I'll see everyone Saturday night. Make sure you get your tickets and your t-shirts for this fight. It's going to be an awesome night.